To fix a Honeywell thermostat with non-working buttons, several potential causes should be considered. The thermostat may be deprived of power. The buttons may be dirty, or they may be faulty. To address these issues, possible solutions can be tried. First, inspect the power transmission to ensure the thermostat is receiving power. Check the power cord and verify that it is connected to a power source. If the thermostat uses batteries, ensure they are in good condition and replace them if necessary. Additionally, check that the circuit breaker has not been tripped and that the wires are secure. If the issue persists, try cleaning the buttons by disconnecting the thermostat from the power source and gently wiping them with a soft, dry cloth to remove any debris. If the buttons are still sticky, a cotton swab dampened with alcohol can be used to clean them. And then the buttons should be allowed to dry before reconnecting the thermostat to see if the issue is resolved. If the buttons are faulty, they may need to be replaced. This can be done by removing the thermostat faceplate with a screwdriver, carefully removing the faulty buttons with a prying tool, and replacing them with new ones. After reattaching the faceplate and reconnecting the thermostat to a power source, the problem should be solved. By following these steps, it is possible to fix Honeywell thermostat buttons that are not working.